Hi all. Today we are going to see how Java program is written. This is the first program that I have already written here. Before going through any program, we should see some of the concepts of Java. Java, we might have heard, or I'm telling you that Java is an OOPS language. What is OOPS? OOPS is object oriented programming system. So, object oriented programming system follows class and objects. What are class and what are objects? Class is anything that is a logical collection of real world entity. So when we say class, it is just a logical collection. Logical collection means, suppose we talk about birds. So anything that flies in the sky are birds. That may be sparrow, that may be crow, that may be parrots. So birds are the classes. Anything that fly in the sky. Then what we call to sparrow, crow, these are the real world entity. We cannot see bird, we cannot touch bird, but bird we call it bird because bird is a logical collection of those sparrow, parrots and all. So logical collection of real world entity is known as class. And what is object? These real world entity are object. Okay. So let's move on to our first program. This was a little description about classes and object. So this is a class. This is class is a keyword here. So after writing class, we should follow one convention that we should give. It will not give any error, but we should write the capital letter or naming any name that we want to write after the class keyword. So class first program is the name of my first program that I have given. You can give your any name now. Public static void main. Main is the main method that we are going to that is most compulsory, that is most compulsory method that you are going to execute in your console. So it is there should be and there must be one main method, I'm sorry, there must be one method, main method here inside any class. So here public static void, public is a keyword, static is keyword that we can see with the colors. These are the keywords. So public means main can access any variable and can give any variable, can transfer any variable to any method, or it can uh, share some variable to the methods. So it is publicly accessible simply. So static means there can only one and there must be only one main method inside any class. So that is why this is static means it will be known by its own name. Now void means the method or anything that has called main, it is returning null to that calling method or anything. Since main is the first method that has been called, so it is called by operating system. We should know this. It is called by operating system RPC. So main method, after main method we give string args. String args will be considering it further in our further lectures. This is command line argument, so we will be leaving it, keeping it now. Now this is braces that has been opened and it is closed, means the main method has opened here, the main method has closed here. This is again you can see this. This is also a system. System is a library class of any Java program. So this is also written in the capital S. So we call it as a class, system class, and print as a method. So after you see it, the execution of our first program, since I have already saved it, so I'll be replacing it. Now this is the first program. uh, we would be executing using, since we have written it in system, written it in notepad, so we will be seeing executing it in command prompt. So this is how we are changing the path. cd change directory, write the name of the directory where we have kept our file. Now the name of the file is firstprogram.java, so we will be writing java c space first program.java. We should know that this is case sensitive, so here also f should be capital. So after writing this, it is successfully compiled. Now java, for running this, java is the keyword and only the name of the program, first program. It is given this output, my first program. Now we will be doing some changes, that we will be using println and println also. There are not much changes. There can be only, we can write system.print as well as system.println. Println means it will be adding one more space below this my first program. So we will seeing it. See, this is what the difference is. So this is what the first lecture is. Lecture was about writing the first program in Java. Hope you must have learned it. If there is any problem, please do comment on the website. Thank you.